Hi. Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday, May the 30th, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku and maybe one regular Sudoku. So let's get started with this regular Sudoku. Well. Which number can I use? The 9 in the last column, the 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Let's see with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. How about in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next, so in that column, we already have an 8. Okay, we have an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. The numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. 3 in this row, last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for a 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and all the 3s are used, I can see, yes, alright, and then, in this big square, no, we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in a row above, so in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. In this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, here also a 9, no 9 there, only 1 place left for the 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used, I can see, yes, alright. And then can I yes, a 5 in the third row, a 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5, I believe. Yeah, I need to wait. Yeah, I need to wait. Ooh. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 4 and 7 in this big square. 4 and a 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about these 2 numbers? The missing numbers here, the 1 and the 2. No, I cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 numbers? The missing numbers here are the 1 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 7. That means the other 2 numbers, 1 and the 7, are the numbers 6 and the 2. 6 and the 2. 6 and the 2. No, 6 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5. The 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. The 4. 6, 4, 7. 6, 4, 7. I see 4 and the 7. So 1 digit left for the 6. Here we have the 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7. 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. How about these 2 numbers? The 1 and the 2 also. Yes, in the middle row, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. The other 2 numbers, the 1 and the 4, are left. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 box left in this column for the number 6. 6 in this column. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Here I believe the 1 and the 7, that means this box should be a 2. 1 and a 7. Okay, so I believe these 2 numbers were the 1 and the 2. Now we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Here was also the 1 and the 2, that means 1 box left for the 4. We have a 4 now, so these 2 boxes, the missing numbers are the 7 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the, in this column, 1 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. This is also the 1 and the 5. How about these 2 numbers? The 1 and the 2 are missing. 1 and the 2. No, I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 4. No. 839. This cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here. We have a 4 there. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the, in this big square, the 1 and the 5 are missing. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Ooh, a lot of pairs. This big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. So 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle, in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Apologies. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. I like this Sudoku Medium. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And don't forget, subscribe if you like or if you want. And hit the bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching this episode. Well, maybe there are in additional more Sudokus. We will see. Have a great weekend. Pentecost with Sunday, with Monday. Then I will see you soon. Keep on puzzling. Bye bye.